Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to the mall. So at the moment we were just sleeping there, but I need to go wake him up, but first I need to quickly go on the computer. Okay? And this is a VIP house, I think, because I bought 3 passes. Wait, first I need to do my teeth. He should do his teeth while he's waiting. I haven't noticed him. Okay. I'm brushing my teeth. Brush, brush, brush. I'm brushing my teeth. That's good. First I might need a quick shower. Good. Okay, now I should go wake him up. Ignore that girl who's following me. She's not anyone I know, so just... Wake up.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What a beautiful day.
I want a little play outside. What about you?
Yeah. Let's go and play outside.
Let's go. It's a nice sunny day. Should we go to the swimming pool?
Yeah, this is a lovely garden.
I know. Let's play in the swimming pool. I used Courtyard Pass for this.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Yeah, it's the first time looking at a Courtyard Pass house, isn't it?
I bought VIP, I bought Resort Pass, and I bought Courtyard Pass. Splash. I'll have a little watch at you in the pool.
I want a rest
Look
too.
at this nice view. We're in the shade. Nice and shady. But I think we need just something for breakfast. I'm just going to make a little cup of coffee or something. Yeah, green tea. I'm just going to get some coffee. You can get some water or something if you want.
I'm just exploring.
I'll just eat some tea. Drink. I'll drink some tea.
Oh, I've just been making things on the grill.
I was going to go to the grill. That's what I was going to have.
Nom, nom, nom.
Nom nom nom. Okay. Why don't we sit here and eat it? Oh. It's a lovely house, but I think we need to go get the limo.
Yeah, travelling in style today, aren't we?
Oh no, our limo isn't here anymore. Our limo isn't here anymore, so I guess we'll have to spawn it again. There we go, our limo. I got the limo.
Oh, wow. Now that's a car.
Yeah. Yeah. Get in.
It's not letting me sit in it.
Wait, maybe it's because I locked it. Oh, no.
Oh, that's better. Thank you.
I had it locked. It's like a real road. For some reason I can't get up here. Why don't we just fly?
Okay.
We should just fly there instead. I'm going to make us fly there instead, so I'll just get our plane. It's more like a helicopter. Let's get our helicopter. I had to spend about 70 Robux to get this. We're ready when you are.
Have you locked it again?
No,
Oh, I'm ready.
I need to get in. This is just... We're going.
Oh, look at that scary balloon down there.
We're flying. So, where should we go? Well, the mall. But where should we go in the mall? I think I know. But it's a surprise to her, that what I'm thinking of. We're quite high up. I see the clouds.
I can see all of Livetopia from here.
I know where them ball is from here. Hey, I'm gonna have to land about here. Is that fine? We're going to be landing in 3, 2, 1. We're going down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've landed. We hit the floor. Yay, we're here. I think I know where I want to go in here, and I'm not telling you.
I'm following you wherever you go.
Loading. This. We need to go to the slice.
Okay.
Where's the cashier?
Oh, I can serve you if you want.
Okay.
What would you like?
I would like a pizza, please, and a bit of Coke.
Okay, you just take one from the cabinet just next to me.
It says it on the menu, but there's none in the cabinet, so just... I need one. Get me one out of your inventory.
Oh, that'll take some finding.
It's on the food bit.
Just a minute.
And then there's some pizza.
Ah, there you go. There's your pizza.
Thank you. Just pop it on the floor, please.
Okay, just lay one on the floor.
Okay.
Oh.
I got it.
Oh, sorry, I've dropped some more. Oh no!
No, I don't need
Oh, my
loads,
pizza's
please.
going everywhere!
I don't need loads, please.
Okay.
Let's go eat. Wait, I really want something from Burger Queen. I'll just take this yummy cheeseburger thing.
That will be £5, please.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
We should go eat now. Don't eat any of my things. I know you like burgers like that.
I like this burger.
It's like McDonald's. Don't steal it. I paid for it. Let me eat them.
Okay.
It's fine. I'll go get my own. Fresh and fast looks healthy. I can't get it. It's fine. I can't get it. It's a bit unhealthy, but I can do with one still. For some reason I feel like I'm going to get disconnected. But I don't know why. Because it's like not letting me sit down or anything.
Oh, that is weird.
I think I need some jewellery. Can we quickly nip in and get some jewellery?
Okay, let's go. Where are you going?
Jewellery. Wow, this gold necklace. These are good. I'm looking at myself in the mirror.
Oh.
Oh, what happened there? But now it lets me eat. Let's eat. Eat. Now I need to drink some Coke.
That must have been a magic necklace. It transported you back to the food court.
Yeah. I really need a book. And then we should go buy a pet from the pet shop. Just like, what book do I want? Something like this would do, fishy book.
I've got a nice book.
Let's go pay. Actually, I need to have a little read first. This is a nice book.
We're both falling asleep with our books.
At least it's a nice book. I'm ready to pay. I'll put it here. We want these books, please.
That will be £10, please.
Okay, £10.
Thank you very much.
Okay, can we go to the pet shop?
Okay.
Hey, let me pick you up.
No.
Please.
Okay. Here I am.
I'm going to pick him up. Please?
There you go. Take me where you want to go.
Because you're kind of slow. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Hello, cashier. Please can we have a pet dog?
Oh, I don't know if I've got a dog.
I see one. Thank you for the doggy.
Oh, okay.
I got the dog. Look at this. Doggy, 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 doggy. Where's doggy? I click the pet button. Now I need some food for it.
I've got a pet ghost.
I got some doggy food for it.
Very good.
Just that'll do. And it needs a collar. I like this collar. This nice red one.
Okay.
We need to nip home.
Yeah, it's getting late, isn't it?
Yes. We should ride the limo back. What do you think? Actually, I have a better idea than limo. I have a really good idea. It'll be perfect. Trust me. It's a really fast car that I really like. It's like so cool. We have to get in there. Are you ready?
Oh, yeah, just got in. Wow.
There's meant to be a trail behind it, but it's just not loaded in.
Okay, well, it's still a very fast, snazzy car.
It does actually have a trail around it, but I'm not sure if it's just at night it doesn't do it, or if it's not doing it.
This will have us home in no time, won't it?
We're already home, but we need to go park it in the car park.
How do you open that door?
It opens itself. It's one of those automatic things. Whee! I like this house because we have our own private car park. It could fit a lot of family. Let's go to bed.
Okay.
Because we'll be tired. Make sure to turn off your lights. Oh, it's locked. There we go. Come in. There's the doggy. There's pet dog. I need to pick doggy up. It's not loading in, but it's gonna be called random. This is what my pet's called. I just made that up, so go to bed. Go to bed.
Okay.
I turn music on for you. Turn your little lamp off.
Oh. Night night.
I need to go to bed now too. Where was I? I was on floor 2. We should just watch me now. I'm in my room. Time to turn off all the lights. I have so much in my room, but I have a feeling that'll shine through. There's loads of lighting in my room. This will be fine. Night night. Sweet dreams. Bye guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.